right? Because if I can't do it, I know somebody that can. Right. I like how it still got DJ Is playing in the back too. Oh yeah, they got some decent coffee for y'all coffee drinkers. That's why I said make sure you always trying to keep up with them sponsors. That's why we keep them in the video. Shouts out to the replay gang because y'all already saw we paid them bills already. We paid them bills already. Shouts out to the replay because you been rolling through with me. That says point 0.9. How is this one short? Might have been that hit I took. Yeah, why they say don't get high off your own supply? Because it'll be that point 0.1 short. It wasn't too big of a hit though. I don't think I hit a tenth of a gram. I barely even tapped it. What Snoop say? I had to back up off of it and sit my cup down. Tangeray and Chronic, yeah, I'm so up now. Some chicks from the city of Compton. Let's see. That just needs another bump, as y'all like to call it. Shouts out to y'all druggies. Y'all know y'all been around the block. As they say in that commercial, there ain't nothing wrong with it. You gotta experience things in life, because some people are dumbasses. Hell, here I am on live weighing them up for the product for today. But hell, it's legal where I'm at, so that's part of my daily routine. So, shouts out to YouTube for saying as long as you age restricted content, you can keep it up, Mr. Harper. You're right. In the state you're in, it is supposed to be considered as legal. Shouts out to knowing that the law you have to follow are only determined by the state you're in. So if you're in a state where something ain't illegal, your goofy ass is supposed to move. Shouts out to you for liking your hometown though. You a halfway loyal motherfucker, but they sound goofy, right? That's why loyalty ain't as big as it used to be, because when you do some goofy shit for loyal, you loyal to something that's goofy, then that makes you not want to be loyal. Well, damn, that's that bullshit. I sat here and stayed in Kansas City so damn long, forgetting the fact that it's not the place I needed to be. People do that. Hell, I was gonna move up until 2018 when the laws changed. What happened with the laws? The law said you could be live on YouTube weighing up wax because guess what? It's legal. Damn, that's a cold game. You playing like that, popcorn? Yeah, we play it like that. Shout out to Team Deepwater Cultivating. You know what I'm saying? Next thing we gotta do is finalize our trademark. Then I can no longer receive a cease and desist order from anybody trying to pop up and do something goofy. Let's see, I only need 1 more gram, and that should be it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Shout out to the people that were wondering how they actually do this and ain't never seen how to handle and keep that wax packaging going. It's easy. It's not as hard as people like to make things out to be. There's 6 of them. So that's 6 Afghans, 6 black garlic. Although I didn't taste any of the Afghan. I think Afghan is what's actually I'm smoking right now at the moment. So I think I naturally passed it for that reason. Because that's what's in my wax jar. Shouts out to keeping that multi-variety pack. Y'all see that? What's that say? Can you read it? It says guava gelato. Hey. Huh? Selection out here in these streets. Shouts out to the team. Shouts out to the team.